guidance for today from Lord Shri Krishna. God is telling you, I was mocking you all throughout the journey. I was trying to mock you to make you realize that people can mock you, people will tease you, people say a lot of things because they don't understand your perspective. That doesn't mean that your perspective is wrong. That doesn't mean that you are a wrong person. Doesn't mean that you have done something wrong. So you are giving so much attention to people's opinion. That is something which really triggered me as a god. He's just telling you, I was triggered even after so much of goodness that you have, after so much of good qualities that you have. Even those people who are trying to mock you and tease you, they don't have anything around you. They cannot stand around you, and you are trying to question yourself because some people are saying something against you. Look, I have made you question everything about yourself, and everybody who you think was all on the pedestal, everybody I'm showing you that these people are actually falling down from the grace because of what they are doing. So just telling you, I will show you the real place these people deserve in front of you, and all the things that they have done against you, I will put them into the right place. They will come towards you, they have to bow down to you because what they have done, they haven't seen your real face yet. They haven't seen that face, and once they see that face, they will have nothing to speak. So you are vibrating and you are running very high on a plane, and nobody can match that level. So if people are trying to connect with you by lowering you or by teasing you or by making fun of you, let these people go. After 10-20 days, they will come back to you and they will ask for whatever I was said was the right thing. So don't try to explain yourself to people. That is a promise the God is asking you to make. Do not try to explain anything to people, and do not try to over explain the situation. If you are good enough, people will understand. If they are not understanding, after 20 days, they are going to come back and they will say, okay, whatever you said was the right thing. So if you are righteous, if you are true, that much pride you should carry with yourself. You are not going after and telling people who cannot listen to you that, whatever I'm saying, you should follow it. Once they fall into the pit, only then they will understand what you have told to them. And that's what is happening. If you have already warned some people and they're not following your guidance, they will fall into the pit. And then they will call you. They will call me and I'm not going to respond. And then they will call you also. And I will not allow you to respond also. So sometimes people have to suffer to understand the consequences of not listening to somebody at the right time, and that suffering is their lesson, that suffering is their piece of cake or their piece of karma. Don't try to change everybody's karma. Don't try to change everybody's fate. But we can give guidance, we can tell to people what is wrong, what is right. If they don't follow it, we can't do anything about it. That is what God is trying to teach you in the whole situation. Do not try to be everyone's mother if they're not giving you that kind of a respect and that kind of a position.